Hello, good afternoon. Ayan, nagluto ako ng eggplant, zucchini, mushroom, saute in oba miso. Miso, saute. Ayan. Oh, say. Ayan siya. Oh. Yung sobra sa miso ko. Ayan. Pinangsote ko dyan sa zucchini. 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 Eggplant. Eggplant. And mushroom. Ayan, sarap. Say. I'm going to frozen this if I want to eat just like that. Okay, bye bye, love you all.